Hey guys, how's it going? So right now I'm working on getting this engraving of this ring out. Let me go ahead and flip the camera for you guys so you can see that. Right there guys, I'm going to go ahead and remove that engraving right there. You see it's a Tiffany Co. I'm going to go ahead and get this ring cleaned and looking really nice and brand new again. Okay guys, so I got this. This is going to help me sand out that engraving that's in the inside of that. So I'm going to go ahead and get this switched out and put this on. And then this is gonna help me clean it up and make it all shiny. So, hey guys, so I'm gonna get a mask on and some gloves because the metal does get hot and I need to protect my hands. And then also, I don't want the dust to breathe in the silver dust. So, here's this ring. Let's go ahead and turn this on and get to work. Ring, get the engravings out. Getting that, sand it right into there. I'll show you a photo of how it looks when I'm after I get this all cleaned off. I like to go slower because I feel like I have more control when I go slower, but I know other people are super good at it and they can go as fast as they want to go, but I like to be a little detail on how I'm doing this. I'll show you guys the inside. Okay guys, check it out. You can see that it's a lot less than before. Still there, but I just want you guys to see the progress that we made. I'm going to continue to work on that and get back to you guys with the update. Okay guys, so I'm going to speed this up so you don't have to wait through all the boring stuff. So I'm going to make this video go really fast. Okay guys, so basically got everything removed right now. So now I'm just gonna shine it up on my buffing wheel and make this ring look brand new. So check this out guys.
Don't want to polish too long on the lettering where it says like I love you, because it says a Tiffany Co I love you ring, because it'll eventually smear those letters out. So basically you don't want to sit on the wheel too long, so you gotta be careful with that. But anyways, back to work.
Already looking like a brand new ring. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do some finishing touches with, this is a little felt wheel. This is a soft polish, but it does get all the scratches out that we made from when we were sanding that engraving out. So that's what we're gonna be working on, is now cleaning it up inside and making it look all nice and brand new. And I'm gonna show you photos of this at the end, so stay tuned guys. Okay guys, so I'm pretty much done here guys. I'm just shining it up guys. And check this out. This is gonna look great. Check it out guys. Looks pretty dang close to new if you ask me. Got that all shined up. The engraving's gone, so there's no engraving there. All you got is a Tiffany Co hallmark. Pretty cool. So guys, that concludes today's video. I am all finished with this Tiffany Co I Love You Beaded Edge Ring. All done. I'm going to go ahead and publish photos for you guys to see. And if you guys get a chance, please check me out on my Instagram or my Facebook, Tiffany Express. And that's, yeah, and you can also see the link to my eBay page where I do sell my restorations on eBay, but I do plan on actually taking it to a .com, but I'm still in the works for that, so just prepare for that later on. But for right now, just hope you like this video. God bless.